ఒక స్టూడెంట్కి మేనేజ్మెంట్ స్కిల్స్ అనేది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంటో అది ఎక్కడ రెప్లికేట్ అవుతుంది, ఏదో బిజినెస్లో కానీ అయితే ఒక ఆంట్రప్రనర్కి ఏ విధంగా అవుట్కమ్ తీసుకురావాలి అనేది కూడా మనకి మేనేజ్మెంట్ స్కిల్స్ అనేవి రెప్లికేట్ చేస్తాయి అనమాట. మనతో పాటు ద హెడ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, మేనేజ్మెంట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, మిస్టర్ గణేష్ ఆనంద్ గారు ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ సార్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
గుడ్ సార్.
గుడ్. అండ్ సార్, ఏమని చెప్తారు? సెయింట్ జోసెఫ్ కాలేజ్లో చాలా మేనేజ్మెంట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి చాలా కాలేజెస్లో. సెయింట్ జోసెఫ్ యూఎస్పీ అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు ఫస్ట్గా?
Sir, when it comes to St. Joseph USP, especially with our Department of Management, we are the first department to introduce BBA Business Analytics course in the Telangana state in the year 2017. So మేము 2017లో ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసాం. Then other universities and colleges also, and if I'm not wrong, subject to correction, maybe other universities and colleges also, they started with business analytics. And today if you see, the world in the business is towards artificial intelligence. Everything is AI. AI lekapothe there is nothing. We don't have anything today, and not the things are going in that way. So St. Joseph unique point is always we think about the future ahead of 5 years always when it comes to our Department of Management. And we have 5 programs under the head of UG BBA. That is one BBA regular course we started in the year 2011. 2015 we started BBA Information Technology, BBA IT and JP. One more course in BBA Business Analytics in 2017. That time we started in collaboration with IBM. IBM also collaborate. We have started this program. Then slowly that has been gone to the different other companies also. Coming to 2019, again we introduced 2 different programs. The one is BBA Financial Markets in collaboration with the National Stock Exchange.
Okay.
NSC Academy వాళ్ళతోటి we have collaborated and we started this program. And coming to one more program in the same year 2019 we started, that is BBA Entrepreneurship. So every time St. Joseph will think about the future. ఇప్పుడు ఆంటర్ప్రినర్షిప్ అనేది కానివ్వండి, లేకపోతే ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఇన్ ద బిజినెస్ ఎరా, దిస్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వీ థింక్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఫ్యూచర్. బికాస్ ఇఫ్ స్టూడెంట్ ఈస్ జాయినింగ్ దిస్ ఇయర్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఈజ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ a job or a business immediately. After 3 years, what they want, that is the thing what we will we include in the syllabus. That is how the St. Joseph will think. When it comes to PG and post graduation, we have a MBA course. In MBA also we have different specializations, like specialization into finance, marketing, HR, operations and entrepreneurship. This year we are launching even MBA specialization into business analytics. We are starting with the business analytics in MBA also. One uniqueness about the St. Joseph with the MBA program, when you consider, we will be having different activities, like every week in the timetable they will be having management club activity. Weekly once ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళకి. Every week they will be having like a 3 hours program. Every week they will be having in the timetable. With this particular thing, what is an advantage to the student is, like when he joins in St. Joseph's, first thing, the person who is coming from degree to PG, the day one when we conduct this orientation program, they will say that when we talk to them, when we diagnose what they want to do and all, they will tell one thing: we have a stage fear, we want to overcome that particular thing and all those things. So these all type of things we will train them in management club activities. Like coming to different companies who come for recruitment to the college, when I personally speak to, I don't want to name the companies, but when those company HRs, when I talk to them, they used to tell me, like out of, if 40 minutes if they are taking interview by a particular student, within that 40 minutes, half an hour they will be talking about the management club.
Okay.
That is the reason, like in club, whatever the activities we will conduct with the student is about, like they will be having formal and informal activities. Like management student, and you need to know everything. It is not within books what we have, that is not enough. They need to know what is happening in the world and how strategically you're talking to the other person to get the things done. So these all things we will train them into the management club. Not only the bookish knowledge, but also the practical knowledge we will give to the student. This is one of the advantage of St. Joseph's College.
ఓకే, బేసిక్గా మామూలుగా బీబీఏ తర్వాత ఎంబీఏ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. మనకి ఫుల్ ఫ్లెడ్జ్ నాలెడ్జ్ కానీ, లేకపోతే థియరిటికల్ కానీ ప్రాక్టికల్ నాలెడ్జ్ అప్లై చేయాలంటే ఎంబీఏ తర్వాతే ఏదో బిజినెస్ పెట్టుకోవటం, లేకపోతే ఒక ఆంటర్ప్రినర్ అయ్యి ఏదో బిజినెస్ రన్ చేయటం, ఇది చేసిన తర్వాత మనకు తెలిసింది. బట్ బీబీఏ తోనే మనకి సర్టిఫికేషన్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే బ్రిడ్జ్ కోర్సెస్ కానీ చాలా వరకు మీరు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారు.
Yes.
ఎంబీఏ అవసరం అంటారు బీబీఏ తర్వాత సెయింట్ జోసెఫ్ కాలేజ్లో?
Actually, I just said like as per the norms of some companies, they need PG course compulsory. For example, if you go to some banking organizations, they need a post graduation certification. So people after completing graduation, they will be doing PG course also. Like if they want to get some promotions in the organization, they need PG. That is mandatory in some of the companies. So that is the reason people will go for MBA. Like a student who did BBA, definitely, as you said, like they will be having uh, like all skills are already there with the student. And especially when it comes to BBA from our college, because we are into different streams. It is not into only one business management, but also we are connecting everything like business management with information technology, business management with business analytics we are connecting. And now we want to introduce this particular area, we are introducing business intelligence, like how to go with the strategic decision making to the in the organization. So what these all things help the student, because like any company, if the company is recruiting a person, a student from this college, they will ask what are the other certifications. Yes, we are providing value added courses, these all things. But when it comes to this extra courses like financial markets, or the programs like fintech, or the programs like business analytics or business intelligence, this will give a weightage to the student resume, so that the company can easily select them. Because company don't want to spend money, any company, it may be any company, they don't want to spend any money in the training the student. If student is already trained, the person is already trained, they will recruit them directly.
ఓకే.
So this is an
ఇంకో
advantage.
క్వశ్చన్, మీరు యాడ్ ఆన్ కోర్సెస్ కానీ లేకపోతే యాడ్ ఆన్ సంబంధించిన కోర్సెస్ ఇలా చెప్తున్నారు కాబట్టి,
Yes.
హౌ డు యూ ఐడెంటిఫై దోస్ కోర్సెస్ కానీ లేకపోతే యాడ్ ఆన్స్ కానీ ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తారు? అండ్ మార్కెట్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ తగ్గట్టుగా
Yes.
మీరు ఏ విధంగా తీసుకుని మీరు ఇన్కల్కేట్ చేస్తారు
Yeah.
కరికులం?
Sir, like actually when you consider, when it comes to curriculum, because we are autonomous, we have our own curriculum which will be approved by definitely from university, the parent university, and the government in academic council meet. These all things will be there. But sometimes it happens that we are unable to give some courses in the curriculum, because we don't have space to place that one in the curriculum. So in that case, what we will do, what is happening in the market, before going to board of studies meeting every year, we will be conducting an industry academia meet. We will get industry experts, academic experts together to the college. We'll have a meeting, we'll take a feedback from them, what is going to be there in future. We'll take a feedback from them, we'll have a discussion. Based upon that one, we will be taking some courses which we can include in the curriculum. If any course, if you are unable to include in the curriculum, we will go for the add-on courses.
అలాంటి అడాప్టేషన్స్ ఈ ఇయర్లో ఏం చేశారంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
This year we start, that's what I as it already told, business intelligence we are starting. BBA with business intelligence, and new program we are starting. And also we want to introduce some new technical courses in finance like fintech, digital banking, because nowadays I think we are not using currency, we are using everything through online payments
Digital
and
payments,
UPI.
yeah.
And not even the debit card we are using today. I think last time I went to ATM, maybe 2 years back I went. Nowadays everything is UPI. So digital banking, digital neo banking system is totally changed.
Everything is digitalized.
Totally digitalized. So these all things we are getting into the curriculum now.
ఓకే, నైస్. అండ్ అల్టిమేట్గా ఏ స్టూడెంట్కైనా ఏ పేరెంట్కైనా అల్టిమేట్ గోల్ ప్లేస్మెంట్.
Yes.
ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ గురించి షార్ట్గా ఏం చెప్తారు?
Sir, when it comes to UG courses, ultimate goal of any student is not only the placement. They will have their mindset into 3 different ways. Either they can go with placements to join any company, or they want to start up their own business, or they want to go to the higher education. As you said, they will go for MBA or any other PGDM program they will go. So based upon the interest of the student, we will give a training to the student. If a student wants to go with placements, we will conduct a CRT program for the period of 30 days. 15 to 30 days we'll conduct a program. We'll train the student when they are in the second year itself. Then when it comes to the placement, the companies are coming, they can definitely easily get through placed into the company. And also we have one thing in the St. Joseph is internship. This is mandatory for all the students.
Okay.
So when the student is doing internship, definitely he will get placed in the company, because he will be having that particular experience of working. Exposure.
Yeah.
That is one thing. And since we are located in this place of Hyderabad, most of the students are from business community. They want to do their own business. We have entrepreneurship development cell in our college. We have this incubation center also. We will take the details from the student. If they want to start up their own business, we will help them to go for the entrepreneurship. Also, we will try to get some loans if the government schemes are there. Those all things will train students into the entrepreneurship also. Like if any student wants to go for higher education, like what they want to start up, or they want to go to join in some big colleges like or institutions like IIMs or anything, we'll train them accordingly. So this is how the St. Joseph will help the student progression.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.